It's a rainy morning in the village. The air smells fresh and the sounds of the raindrops is like nature's own music. Everything feels slow, peaceful, and alive. I like it here. Actually, when it rains, it's just something else. It feels so amazing to wake up into this moment. The first thing I do every morning is check on my dogs. They are always so happy to see me, and I think we can just make the breakfast before even they see it. Every time when I wake up and they just see me walk into the kitchen, they know it's time to feed. And yeah, it's my best thing to do. I'm feeding them with some chicken and leg, chicken heads and legs. Just yeah, they like it so much. And as you can see, it's time to really feed.
Sit.
Yeah, I make sure it's ready in the morning, or I cook overnight so they can feed me in the morning, or don't have to rush in the morning or feed them when they are so hot. Something I enjoy doing. You should see my dogs every time I come home when I have been out or maybe from somewhere. Yeah, not forgetting when the chicken and then they're never even patient. The moment they hear me coming, they rush, they hit at the door. Feeding them is one of my favorite morning routines. Yeah, it's something that I don't know. I look forward to. It's just peaceful. It just makes your mind feel at home, relaxed, not at any rush. Just vibing with whatever it's the day is bringing into your hands. Yeah, for sure. So anyway, with all my animals fed, it's time for me to make myself a warm breakfast. When I mean a warm, it's cold already, so it's time to prepare something for myself. Except being that I'm feeding mom, I have to take something very heavy. So on my today's menu, I'm making some white tea, some arrowroot, I call them ndoma, and an egg and toast. Yeah. So just be with me, join me as I prepare this breakfast. It's something I love to do for myself. Actually, cooking is my favorite thing. And maybe if you guys don't know, I have another YouTube channel called The Fun Kitchen, where I cook and maybe just vibe with something. Yeah. So on such a rainy and cold morning like this, cooking over the fire feels extra cozy. The steam rising from the pot warms not just my hands but my arms too. Yeah, guys. So I feel like so my tea is ready. As you can see, it has already boiled, and my toast also is ready. Just have to break them and I'll be ready to start boring on this food. Guys, so far let me know if you have been my returning subscriber or you always watch my videos. Let me know which videos you have loved the most. Is it the shower in the waterfall? Is it my garden episodes? I don't know. There's always something to do in the village. You don't have to be idle. No, it's peaceful. The little things, the peace is just made from anything, from walking around, from just taking a cycle, from just gardening. You don't have to always have like nothing to do around. Not more of lecturing but just talking. I'm just making my toast and my breakfast will be ready. Oh yeah, I have to make arrowroot, but they're already ready. I'm just going to be filling them up. Yeah. Guys, please make sure you subscribe onto my YouTube channel. Always comment, give me that thumbs up if I know if you're liking this video. Yeah, just be nice, guys, be nice. Yeah, anyway, it's time to go and have this breakfast. Here are my arrowroots ndoma. This is my favorite, and I will tell you they are a hack to my breast milk is something else, because I really produce a lot of milk, and I'm grateful. Like, I haven't used any of the, what do you call it, the milk powder, or yeah, those things you buy for the kids or for the babies. Yeah, this is such a very healthy breakfast, and most of my days there's always going to be ndoma. I'm always having ndoma in my plate. I don't like bread so much, so it's just two pieces ndoma and an egg. Yeah, anyway guys, let's rest, soak in for a moment on the grass. Guys, do you know how much grounding means to your health? This is something you should always do. You can tell when the flowers are like, ooh, it was a nice shower. They really did so much for my garden, for the flowers and all that. Welcome to my breakfast. Enjoy it with me, and I hope guys you have loved this video up to this stage. Please leave that comment. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Just be nice. Sometimes as I just sit and with my breakfast and listen to the raindrops and maybe just watching something on the TV, I feel grateful for the peaceful life, for the fresh air, and for mornings like this, just raw and nothing else. Anyway guys, thank you so much for joining me this morning. I hope this little piece of my village life brings you to the same calm it brings me. See you on the next video. I love you so much.